Okay, so welcome back again to another video. If you're a 3D artist and you're looking for high quality textures, let me show you a great place that you can use AI to generate high quality textures for your project. Now, Poly is a great place that you can create textures and generating it with AI, and it is a pre for resolution up to 1K on 2K, and you have to upgrade to generate textures to 4K and 8K. So let's dive in and see how we can do that. So here in the Poly, first you have to create an account as usual to you can use the service provided by Poly. So when you land on the website for Poly where you can generate text, high quality texts with AI, this is where you type in your prompt. So you can see here are some high quality texts that have been generated and all of these are pre, and you can upgrade to download 4K and 8K. So if you go to the Poly editor here, this is where all the magic happens. So here is where we type in our prompt. So let's just type in a prompt. So in the prompt here, I'm putting down as high quality rosewood textures, saturated close-up, ultra realistic wood with grains, and rosewood realistic high texture, high definition. So just a little prompt here. Down here is where the resolution. So you have the 1K, you have the 2K, 4K if you upgrade, and 8K if you upgrade. And the type of material, you have the general, organic, matte, and shiny, fabric, diverse, dramatic, and polished. So let's go to organic. And once with that, we can generate the texture. So here's our textures. Now you can see this is the grains are more similar to rosewood, and you can see the grains here. And if we go to the render map here, you can see this is the texture here, and then we go to the albedo map here, and then you have the normal map, you have the height map, and you have the ambient occlusion, and you have the roughness map here. So with all this now, all you have to do is download from here. So simply you can download. There's some other things that you can fix from here. You have the seamless canvas. You can enable this and you can see the seamless canvas there, and also you must be in 3D view. So let's go to 3D view here and let's take a look at this. So the environment or the HDRI here, the tungsten, sunset, outdoors. So let's go to the outdoors here, and then you can see the strength here. So as you put the strength up, you can see how it affects the overall of the lighting options. So you can apply this to see which one best fits your what you're trying to get, and you can use the strength here to see. Okay, and then you have the 3D option here to change the other render settings here. Seamless sphere, cylinder, you have the, okay, we change to cylinder, and you can see it change there. Let's go to torus, and you can see there, and let's go back again to, let's go to plane, and that's the plane there, and sphere. And then you have the tiling here, so you can see the tiling is with tile this grain here. This looks so nice. And then the height, if you want to bump it down like that, bump it up like that to get a more depth height there. And then you have the render map, the color albedo, and then you have the metallic. All these are by default, and then the graphics high. You have the native and you have the low, so let's put it as high. But this is a default that you can change to see which best fits your need, and you can start downloading that. Okay, so coming back here, you can see that you can use images you have, the texture that you have to generate more, and then create it as a seamless from here, and also upscale. So we already upscaled to 2K. We can go better if we using upgraded. We can go better up to 8. Okay, so this is a great place that you can generate textures using AI. And I think that's all for this video, and thank you again for watching. See you back again in another video.